Good morning, CSA Huskies. Mrs. Burbrink's in the barn this morning doing early morning chores, but just wanted to say a quick hello before Lincoln announcements.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I miss you, Huskies.
All right, so I challenged Lillian Gray, Matt Rust, and Clarissa Cook, and so far I've received one video from Miss Cook. So let's go ahead and watch it, and then we'll break it down afterwards. All right, that's pretty good. I think it was about 8 seconds. A couple questions. Where's the first part of this video? I don't know if you noticed, but somehow it's halfway through. Word on the street is maybe she about fell down the first time on it. So I want to give her an A for effort, B plus for execution, and definitely from there. So I want to give Ms. Cook a good round of applause on her effort, and we look forward to seeing the videos from Lillian Gray and Mr. Rust. Yeah, so it looks like this whole handstand challenge has turned into a few other things here. Since the posting of that yesterday, I've received 2 new challenges. One from Charlie Croissant in kindergarten, and another from Carter Brickert in 3rd grade. So Charlie challenged me to a jump rope contest. Here we go. Charlie's video, then mine.
Okay, Mr. Finley, I challenge you to a jump rope competition.
Okay, Charlie, 23 jump ropes. Here we go. Good work, Charlie. I'd like to see some other people doing some jump rope. So I'm going to throw this out there. I'm going to challenge Ryan Coy, parent Ryan Coy, to a jump rope contest. See if we can get some double unders as well. And then also Carter challenged me to a butterfly kick, which I had never heard of before. And so I'm going to show you Carter's video first, and then I tried it. My wife, Michelle, tried it, and Calvin tried it. So I'm going to kind of throw those videos in there, and we're going to talk about it and see how it went.
Hi, Mr. Finley, I miss you. I want to challenge you to a butterfly kick.
Carter, you challenged me to a butterfly kick. First time ever. All right, Carter. Carter, you win that one, buddy.
All right, Calvin's butterfly kick. Woo!
Wow. So the Finleys are at this point lacking in the butterfly kick. I think you would agree with that as well. That was tough, and I'm probably going to be very sore tomorrow from that. So, but it was a lot of fun. Love seeing you guys outside. Miss you guys as well. And so let's keep these going. Could be a fun way to tackle the last month of school. All right, the Coy girls, Kennedy and Parker, sent me a video of them doing the bottle flip.
Yeah!
Yay! My turn. Jack and new podcast.
Yeah, you did a nice job, girls. So I went ahead and did it as well. Got it. Woo-hoo. All right, let's see what else we've been up to.
Say, Lincoln, I'm up for the challenge. Whew. Trying to do this for 30 seconds is a long time. Have a great day.
What was that? Mrs. Shaw wasn't even like challenged for the handstand, and then she pulled off an entire 30-second video outside, clearly not being supported by anything. Audrey, what did you think of that? Was it impressive? Yeah, absolutely. That cookie is another word for impressive. So, well done, Mrs. Shaw. I'm still waiting for Mr. Russ, Ms. Cook, but it was pretty impressive. Audrey was impressed. I was impressed, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. I got a couple more things from announcements to share with you guys, and other than that, let's have a great day. Be cool, right, Audrey?
Diamond painting. So first, you would like to label all these things with the corresponding colors, the numbers. Then you would like to get the wax. You will take the dipper, do this until you have it fully up. You will take whatever color you're working on, and then you will dip it on like that, and you would just keep on going till you're done with that, and then you will switch colors. That's how you diamond paint.
Hi CSA Lincoln, Sophia Perez here. I'm going to show you how to make color changing slime. You can buy a kit like this that has 2 colors of glue and magic liquid and a little UV light. You will need a bowl, something to stir your slime, and a measuring spoon. And I put down aluminum foil. You mix a whole bottle of glue and 2 to 4 teaspoons of magic liquid and stir like crazy till it turns to slime. When your slime is just right, then try your UV light and watch it change colors. So cool, right? Bye.
Hey guys, I went on a walk to one of my all-time favorite places today. Remember, we are safe, respectful, responsible, and peacemakers. Have an awesome day.